Hey, it's Jen with another Tech Tips 411 quick tip. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really cool profile picture and use a new feature called Magic Edit, all in Canva. Let's check it out. So what I want to show you is how I can take this photo here and turn it into a couple of options here. And I want to show you how I did that. And I even had a costume change with the click of a button. So the first step is I've got this picture. I've already removed the background by selecting the photo and done edit and background removal. So now what I want to do is I want to add in a cool color background. So I'm going to go to photos and I'm going to do blue gradient, and I have some options here. So you can play around and choose the colors that work best for your photo. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to drop it in here to replace the background. Now I'm going to duplicate this image and now I can crop it in, so I want it to be more of a profile size. But now I want to add in that white outline. So I'm going to click over here to edit photo and I'm going to go to shadows and I'm going to choose outline. By default it adds the outline in black. I'm going to change it to white. And I can also adjust whether there's some blur to it, blended effect. I can also adjust the intensity, bring it down a little bit if I want, and I can adjust the size. I'm going to take off the blur. I want a solid line here. So now what it does a complete outline all around the edge of your photo. So that's step number 2. So I'm going to duplicate this again. And this time what I want to do is I want to change the color of my shirt. This is where the magic happens. So I'm going to go to edit photo and I'm going to go to magic edit. When I click on that, it's going to give me a brush. I can choose the size of the brush over here. So the larger the brush, the quicker this is going to go. And I'm going to be careful around my neck right here. And I'm going to go right there and cover all right, make sure I get that. And then I'm going to go around here. And then this main part right here. I've cropped the photo so you're not going to see that lower part. So now I'm going to click continue. And now I'm going to describe what I want. So I want to actually change the shirt to teal. And I'm going to, that gives you some inspiration over here. And I'm going to say generate. So the magic is happening. Notice that it automatically changed the color here. Now because I've cropped that photo, that's why it only did the part that I have brushed across, so I can change it. It kind of has a different effect. And I can choose the one I look. Notice it even got the t-shirt here as well. That's a little bit lighter. That's a little bit brighter. And now I'm going to click done. And now I've got this new really cool profile photo, and I can customize it, put that outline on it, and change my color with Magic Edit. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this tip beneficial. And as you create your cool new profile pictures, be sure to share them with me.